The Clarke Jumpstart 1100 is a powerful, compact and portable power source suitable for home, garage or roadside application with an impressive list of features. With a starting current of 500 amps with a peak of 1100 amps, the Jumpstart 1100 is capable of jump-starting petrol and diesel engines of up to 3 litres. It is ideal for starting vehicles that have stood for a while and require a shot of power to get them running again. The powerful, maintenance-free internal battery can be charged in vehicle with the supplied 12-volt adapter or with the 230-volt mains charger. A press of the battery test push button will display the battery status at any time. Incorrect polarity or a low battery is indicated by a bright red LED and an audible alarm. Additional outputs include 2 12-volt DC accessory sockets, cigarette lighter type, and a 5-volt USB connector, allowing the unit to power a wide range of portable equipment such as mobile phones, laptops and tablets. A bright 5 LED work lamp is provided, which also features a flashing function to draw attention to yourself. Small enough to fit in the boot of any car, the 1100 can also be useful in an emergency. The Jumpstart 1100 features a gripped carry handle, making it easy to transport, with integrated storage for the booster cables to keep everything neat and tidy. If you ever have the need to start mowers, tractors, cars, motorbikes, or just about anything with a flat or weak 12-volt battery, the Jumpstart 1100 is the product for you. Supplied with a 230-volt mains charger, 12-volt adapter, and 5 LED lamp, it will give you many years of reliable service.